Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my Vegancuts monthly beauty subscription unboxing or reveal, however you want to say it. Couple of things. I am trying to negate noise as well as I can, but Fran was already in the window and would not let me close it around her, and she's the baby and she gets what she wants. So if you hear vehicles going by, that is why the window is kind of open. Also, I will try my best to, take a pause. If there's a big ass truck coming by, we might have big ass truck noise. The second thing to talk about is we are barefaced because the allergies are real, honey. Yes, they are. So there's just no point in foundation, or at least here. There's no point in mascara. The eyes are welling up right now. It's just not happening. I thought I was not experiencing allergies this year. It just turned out that I have not really been outside is what has happened, because I spent the day outside for my yard sale last weekend and I was wrecked for like 2 days. It took me so long to recover, and even having the windows open is a little rough, but she just loves being in the windows, so it is what it is. So, but I do have a lip product on that I wanted to show you guys. It is the Medusa's Makeup, what was this called? Lip balm, tinted lip balm in the color Spicy, and I think this actually packs a lot of color on the lips. I wasn't expecting it to be so, see, there's a loud truck. I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented, I guess, but it does pack a ton of color, so that's that. I think it's gorgeous. I love this product. I don't know why I'm putting it back in the box. I don't need to do that, but yeah, quite a fan of that. Interested to see if they send any more of those out in the future, because I'd be happy to have more. So in this month's beauty box we have 4 products. I know that because mine just happened to not come with the card for some reason, so I had to go on to the website to look up the product descriptions so I could tell you about them. So let's go ahead and pull each of them out. The first is a face mask. This is the Pineapple Kiwi Pear Ginger, it's called Pineapple Bliss Revitalizing Raw Juice Face Mask, and this is what it looks like from ESW Beauty, and it's so cute. This is very, very cute packaging. I am rather smitten with it. I'm not going to bother looking at it to see if there are fragrant ingredients. They probably are, because it's just a funsy little sheet mask, but I'm going to use it anyway because it's cute. So let's read about this actually. This is a $6 value, infused with kiwi, pear, pineapple, and ginger. This nutrient-rich mask reduces inflammation, exfoliates, and brightens skin. Apply the mask to clean, toned skin. Remove after 15 to 20 minutes, and gently pat remaining serum into skin. So that is pretty cool. 1 for 1 so far. The next item we're going to pull out of here is from Tropical Naturals. It is a scalp treatment. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really cool. It's got like fun florals on it. I don't know anything about scalp treatments, so I'm really curious to see how this works. I don't particularly have a dry scalp, but it could be an interesting product to just try for the sake of it. This is a $36 value, formulated with black seed and tamanu oils. This soothing scalp treatment helps normalize an array of ailments from dandruff to oily. Now, Austin has very oily hair. It might be interesting to test this out on him. It soothes inflammation, promotes hair growth, and leaves hair soft and hydrated. Apply to scalp, massaging with fingertips, leave in or wash out after 10 to 15 minutes. So honestly, that's kind of cool. It's something different, something we don't see very often. And when you get a lot of these little beauty subscriptions, getting something you don't see often is fun. Pleased with that too. The next item is from Nuria, and it is the Defend Matte Finish Daily Moisturizer Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 with peach flower, native to China. So the peach flower is kind of indicating to me there may be fragrant things in here. just a light look over of the ingredients, make it look like it's extracts and not straight up oils, essential oils. But I will have to check into it. I would open it up and sniff it, but my nose isn't really working that well with the allergy thing like I mentioned. But I am going to open it up and at least look at the packaging. There we go. Yes, I just opened this with tweezers. So let's see. Oh, this is kind of cute looking. Kind of reminds me of Shiseido. I don't know why. Maybe I've seen something similar packaged, but that's what it looks like. And this is an $18 value. No, I'm looking at the wrong thing. This is a $23 to $26 value. It looks like you could have gotten the Calm Daily Moisturizer or the Matte Finish Daily Moisturizer All Mineral SPF 30. So it looks like you'll get a moisturizer or a moisturizing sunscreen. I got the sunscreen, which I love because I will use a sunscreen even if I feel like it is too fragrant for my face. I'll use it on my body. But anyway, so especially formulated for sensitive skin, Calm Daily Moisturizer utilizes cotton grass to soothe and moisturize skin, as well as blue daisy to reduce redness. So that's the one we didn't get. Defend Matte Finish Daily Moisturizer, God, these names are so long, is weightless, broad spectrum SPF 30 and infused with youth protecting antioxidants from peach flower. Apply daily to face and neck, suitable for all skin types. So, you know what, SPF, I'm not mad about it. So 3 for 3, I just dropped it, 3 for 3 on these products. And then the last item is from Nourish Mantra. It is the Rani Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser. And I'm pretty sure I have another one of these in my bathroom right now that I haven't opened yet from a different subscription. And essentially it's a face cleanser, but it's clay based. And I've said it once, I've said it a million times. I love getting skin cleansers. I will use them. They will always be used in this house eventually. So I'm definitely pretty pleased about getting that. There's the packaging. I love the natural earth tones. And then, yeah, I definitely have this. Here is the tube. And let me read you the description of this. This is the item that is an $18 value. And it is enriched with why can't I talk? Enriched with Moroccan lava clay, French red clay, and activated charcoal. This buttery cleanser refines skin, absorbs excess oil, and removes deep-seated impurities, resulting in clean, flawless skin. Gently massage onto wet face and neck. Rinse. Use twice daily. Suitable for normal to oily skin. So, very interesting. I would say, since it is a clay cleanser, if you have dry skin, I would maybe not use this at all. Maybe give it to a friend, but otherwise it should be decent to use. I might actually see if Austin wants to start trying this out because he has very, very oily skin. It might be pretty beneficial to him. But overall, very pleased with the Vegancuts Beauty Box. I am interested in every item that was sent. They were all, with the exception of this, they were all really high value items. I mean, the lowest of these three being $18, the other two being in the 20s. Or was this 30? One of these was 30, right? Yeah, the scalp treatment was $36. So I'm just really pleased with this box. I think it was a really high quality box, even though we only got 4 items. All 4 items, in my opinion, were very interesting and things that I will definitely get use out of. So what is this month? May? I'm losing my mind. The May 2021 Vegancuts Beauty subscription is an A+ in my book, which is much better than the Medusa's makeup one that I unboxed a week ago, a few days ago. I have no idea at this point. Everything is just blurring together in my mind this month. But yeah, pretty happy with this one. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, hit the subscribe button. If you get this subscription, let me know. Did you get the SPF or the moisturizer? What are your opinions on the moisturizer? I would love to do that. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later.